everyone, welcome back to 2 Minute Tips. Did you know that you can access custom code in the XM community for your surveys? Today I'll show you how to add a stylish background color to your form questions. Big thank you to XM community members Mo Farrell and Chak Bush for their amazing solution. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to the custom code section in the XM community. Click on Topics and scroll down to Custom Code. Select from the thousands of topics. Once you've selected the relevant code for your survey, head over to your survey and navigate to the survey builder on the left. Select the question you want to customize. Scroll down and click Add JavaScript. This will open a window where you can add your custom JavaScript code. Now, you'll need to copy and paste the code from the XM community into the JavaScript window. This code essentially runs when the question loads, changing the background color to a teal shade represented by this hex code. Replace it with any color code of your choice. For example, to change it to a light pink, you would use this hex code. Don't forget to save your changes. After you save, go ahead and preview the survey to see the new background color in action. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Qualtrics question. Thanks for watching.